account of Jesus' miracles, there is no account of Jesus' death, and there is no account of Jesus' resurrection. So, wala lahat. Walang tungkol kay saying only. It is a list of 114 secret saying. So, mga salita lang o saying called logia o mga logia lang ng attributed to Jesus. So, ibig sabihin, itong Gospel of Thomas ay walang sinasabi na tungkol kay Jesus. There is no account of Jesus in the Gospel of Thomas. There is no account of Jesus' birth. There is no account of Jesus' miracle. There is no account of Jesus' death. And there is no account of Jesus' resurrection. Pero, ang sabi, it is a list of 114 secret saying connected to Jesus, attributed to Jesus. Mostly begin simply with the phrase Jesus.